Guys, today's lesson is going to be how to make a beauty supply closure. So if you guys see, I have my lace here, I have it folded, and then I have a shape drawn around of what my closure is going to be. So the next step, I'm going to cut this out, guys, and then I'm going to fold it over 1 inch. Then I'm going to come back because I want to make the video as short as possible. So you guys pick up your lace from the beauty supply store, and you fold it over like this. Do your shape for your closure. And what I mean beauty supply closure, they have tracks sewn around, and then they just ventilate very little. So the next step y'all see, I'm gonna have this cut out and sewn together, and we'll be ready to start sewing the track. So you're gonna cut this out and then sew it 1 inch going around and come back. All right, guys, now that we got it cut out and we got it sewn around, I just used black thread, guys. I didn't have any of my brown thread. So to help you guys be able to see better, a lot of my stuff is still packed up. I was in the process of moving and never unpacked. Don't even know where my sewing stuff is. So if you guys see, I got the closure shape already sewed around. And then I put this chalk line as a reference because this is kind of where I really don't want no hair sewn. This is going to be the part that we're going to ventilate going around a little bit. So mark your space out, guys, so that once that space is marked out, you know not to put any hair or nothing around there. So now you take your track hair and your pins, and we're going to put on our first track. So this is the wrong side of the hair. Let me get the right side. Let me just cut it right here. I'm trying to unroll it to get a particular side, but I can just cut it. Okay, so now we're going to take it, the tracks, and start pinning it. We're going to pin it going all the way around. And then we're going to sew it. So now what I'm doing is just, I'm taking this track, guys. I'm finna pin it going all the way around. All the way around, all the way around, all the way around, all the way around to right there. And then I'm going to sew it on the sewing machine, and then I'm going to come back. I'm trying not to have this video too long. So now what we're doing, guys, just pinning it all the way around, and then we're going to sew it. And I'll come back with the next track. Guys, if you can see, I'm sewing the track going all the way around on the closure. So just keep sewing and turning the track as you sew. So just kind of giving you guys an idea of what it should start to look like. I'll turn it some more. You just pivoting it all the way around the closure. Going all the way around. All the way around, and I'm almost at the end, guys. And you get right there, back stitch. Okay, so now where's my scissors? I'm gonna cut, guys. So far this is what you should have. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to keep on sewing so you guys kind of seeing how it should look. So I'm going to keep on sewing around, and then I'll come back. So I'm going to sew a couple more tracks. I need you guys to keep going around and make it as full as you want. And down here, don't put no hair, because this is going to be your leave out, and this is going to be where you're going to ventilate just a little. Alrighty. Okay, guys, so as you can see, we're almost done. You see, you should have about that much left. So depending on how much or how less you want to ventilate, so this is what you should have. And then I got the track sewn all around the back. So now we're getting to this top part. So now you could just start closing it off and then leave the rest for you to ventilate to cover it up. So I think I'm going to do, I'm not going to go all the way around because then that's going to make my part shorter here. So I'm just going to sew this part right here, and then I'm gonna sew another part on that side. And then the next step is, guys, we're gonna ventilate. We're gonna take that part up at the top and we're gonna ventilate. Oh, this the wrong way. Good, I saw that. I got the track on backwards. You can see. Okay, there it go. I had to track the point that it was on backwards where I could see the you know how the tracks is folded over. I was able to see that part. So now turn it this way, guys. I'm just gonna close off this gap and then I start ventilating. And what I realize is that normally I don't leave them on my closures anyway. I didn't leave enough lace just in case if I wanted baby hair. So if you guys want baby hair, keep in mind, leave lace for the baby hair. I didn't do it like that on here. I just did it because I don't normally put the baby hair on the closures. But if you guys want baby hair on your closures, then leave a little bit more lace for that. Okay, so now I need to take another piece and do the other side, and then we will be pretty much done with the wefting part of it, and then we'll go to the ventilating part. So now I need to cut out a piece for this side. Okay, and then the next step is I get my ventilating needle together and I will start to ventilate. So around and making it smooth as possible, guys. And then they ventilate very, very, very little. So you guys want very, very little ventilating, then make your space even smaller than this. So it's up to you on how much ventilating you want to do. But if you don't want to do a lot, then make it very little. So with me, I'm comfortable with ventilating a certain amount. So it depends on where your ventilating skills is at. You know, if you want to leave more out, you can. Less out. Okay, so so I cut all the little nicks and knacks. And then the last thing I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to get the ventilating needle and I'm going to ventilate the top. So this is what I got so far in my how to make a beauty supply store closure. That's how much I got left. So now, guys, I'm going to get prepared and get the ventilating needle prepared and go from there. But yeah, I just got to clean up the different splitting ends from the thread, and then I'm gonna ventilate the top. So you guys stay tuned for the last step, and that'll be that. Now, guys, final steps. I'm finna ventilate this piece. So all you guys got to do now is ventilate. Leave the part you want open to be your part, because a lot of times people wind up plucking their knots. So I'm not going to put no hair like right there. Look lopsided on camera. But chalk out your piece where you're not going to put any hair, then ventilate the rest. So the last thing I'm going to do is ventilate. And guys, I'll show you guys the final results, because it takes some time to ventilate. So I'm not going to go live ventilate now. I just ventilate and come back with you guys with the complete closure. Okay, bye. Guys, so now the closure is complete. So now all you guys got to do is you could take it, and now I'm trying to put it on my hand so you guys can see. So it's complete. So now all you guys got to do is take it, and you could put it on your wigs at this time. So this is the Beauty Supply closure, guys. So you could take it now and you can attach it to your wigs. But this is what the back look like. I kind of just did it with black thread. What is that on there? Oh, I got something in there. Some length or something. But you just sew going all the way around, all the way around. Guys, I got lint on there. And then you put the line out where you're not going to ventilate. And then just ventilate just a little bit around there. But that's how you guys can make your beauty supply store closures, guys. You can take it and make your beauty supply closures. Just mark out where you're not going to put the hair at. And then you attach it into your wig, guys. So that would be the way that you guys can make your closure and give you that parting. If you want more parting space, then of course make it more bigger. Make it more bigger if you want more parting space, or if you want less. But yeah, you just take it and then you can make your wig. So that's the way you'll do the beauty supply closure, where the tracks are sewn and there's very little ventilating. Just that much. And it give you a part. So thank you guys for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.